Today, we're diving into the topic of transforming household cleaning into moments of teamwork and problem solving. Whether it's dishing out fairness in dishwashing duties or strategizing a speedy room tidying session, these everyday activities can serve as rich grounds for building character and connection at home. Teamwork in household tasks is not just about getting things done, it's about building a family dynamic that thrives on togetherness and shared responsibility. By engaging your children in cleaning tasks, you inculcate a sense of belonging, making them feel integral to the family unit. Encouraging teamwork in these tasks can dramatically enhance family bonds, as everyone contributes towards a shared goal. It also shows children that their participation is valued, and their efforts make a real difference in maintaining the household. So how can we make these cleaning tasks fun and engaging for children? First, it's essential to infuse play into the process. Consider transforming cleaning into a game or a friendly competition. Perhaps challenge your kids to see who can tidy their room the fastest or who can make the most creative stack of cleaned dishes. Adding elements of fun not only motivates them, but also aligns household duties with positive emotions. Another candidate for creativity is problem solving. Cleaning presents numerous scenarios where kids must think critically and solve problems. Introduce tasks that require decision-making, such as organizing toys by category or figuring out the best way to vacuum efficiently. Problem-solving skills cultivated in these seemingly mundane activities are incredibly transferable and bolster children's confidence and resilience in tackling new challenges. Humor and creativity play indispensable roles in making chore time memorable. Share silly stories, sing songs, or even dance around the living room while dusting. Not only does this lighten the atmosphere, but it also allows you to share genuine, joyful moments with your children. When kids find joy and laughter in chores, they are more likely to associate these tasks with positive emotions, making them more willing volunteers next time around. Let's discuss some specific chores that can easily be morphed into cooperative games or challenges. For instance, assign roles during dishwashing. One child can wash, another rinses, and a third dries and stacks. This creates a production line that not only teaches efficiency, but also highlights the importance of each person's role in achieving a common objective. Sorting laundry can become a color-matching game, or sweeping the floor can be transformed into a race against the clock. Fostering independence and adaptability through chores prepares children for the future in more ways than one. A child who learns the skills of self-sufficiency, like maintaining cleanliness and organization, carries these vital abilities into adulthood. They learn how to adapt by tackling obstacles strategically, fostering resilience and the capability to handle life's unpredictability with confidence. The core long-term benefits of creating positive associations with chores cannot be overstated. What starts as a simple activity can become a vehicle for lifelong learning and bonding. When children relate to cleaning with fond memories of teamwork and fun, they are more likely to approach these activities with enthusiasm as adults, seeing them not as obligations, but as opportunities for growth and relationship building. I encourage our listeners, the amazing fathers tuning in, to share your experiences and tips on effective teamwork during household cleaning with your peers. Such exchanges of ideas can spark new inspirations, reaffirm the importance of your role, and enrich the experience for both you and your children. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about creating possibilities for connection and understanding through shared tasks. As we wrap up today's episode of Bonding Through Home Chores, we've covered how household cleaning, far from being a mundane task, can serve as a powerful means for fostering teamwork and problem-solving skills, and building lasting family bonds. By integrating humor, creativity, and a strategic approach, household chores transform into joyful life lessons that cultivate adaptability, independence, and strong family ties. Through these everyday activities, fathers find a profound chance to connect with their children, ensuring housework doesn't just clean the home, but also strengthens the heart. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more invaluable insights in our next episode. Until then, keep creating those meaningful moments through work and play. If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bonding Through Education.